Good morning and welcome to my channel. I want to show you fast and easy last minute gift pouches. Look at this. I want to show you how to make those because those very fast and easy. I cleaned up my paper stash and I found different papers I really do not like. You know, each paper pad has some colors you like and some you don't like. So we cannot throw them away. So now I will show you what you can do with those. First, cut them 2 inches strips. Like so. And do this with the second one as well. But of course you can take whatever you like to take. You can make wonderful pouches. I make those with my unloved paper. So, just one more. Okay, so this is it. Then we will sew this together like so and like so. Okay, and I'll switch to my ugly Olaf and show you the result. So this is the result. You can make 20 in a row. Don't cut between those, then you can save your thread. So cut this apart now. So my Olaf refused to sew properly, so I had to do it twice. See what it is. Olaf. So now we will sew those parts together and make a flap here. So here and here. Let's do it. So this is your piece. Now you see you can flip this up, and first we have to do is to shorten this edge a little bit. Just take your cutter and shorten it a little bit. See, now you can close this and you can round up the edges, the corners, sorry, not the edges, the corners. And the next thing we have to do is to get such a piece and to make here those two parts to get this closed up. So now first, this one first we have to score a little bit. So this is a piece of 2 inches and we want to make an M. So score it 3 times, ½ inch, 1.5 and 2 inches. Okay, then bend it, crease it tightly, because you have to glue this on. Crease it. Now let's have a look. Yes, and this one you have to cut here a little angle. You do not have to, but it's not so bad to do it. And this is the length you need. So let's cut this in an angle and see. This fits now perfectly inside this slot, and it's an M. And the second one I will do off camera and show you the result. I have I have two parts now, and first we are going to do now is I used Velcro on these, and I added some extra wet glue under those dots, so they are really good gluing. But now I will try to get these snap buttons, and which color would be fine? I think brown would not be so bad. So let's get the corresponding tiles, 2 of this and this one. So, can you see it? They are different, so they can snap together. And this is the tool, so you can get this in the dollar store, but not now. Not now. And then let's poke a hole, but be careful, don't poke through the back. Hold it a little bit, and let's poke a hole where you want to have it in the middle, a little bit, not too close to the edge. Push this through, push it through, and push this one down, and push this through. Oops, sorry, I'm out of frame. Here, so through this hole, and take this one. And all you have to do is, oops, okay, it's gone. All you have to do is to use your tool now. So, use your tool. I'm a little bit too far from the edge, but you can slide it a little bit. So, press it down and press this down. Oopsie. It's in the middle. Yes, press it down. And try. Yes, it works. So now we can glue down our side parts. And you see it's an M. Lollipalooza made a tutorial for snap pouches from washi tape. Check her channel. She has huge variety of crafts. So press it down firmly and take the other part. You could sew this part as well. You could sew it, but I'm going to glue it now. So to the edge. Check it. Yes. And if you want to sew it, just pull this out and you can sew through this. But the last part you have to glue. So, and this one. And of course I took 2-inch strips, but you can make huge pouches or small pouches. and it goes very fast. It's a last-minute gift pouch, and I will use it for my next giveaway, for stickers and for people who buy my stuff on Etsy, for some goodies. So look at this, it works. It's not dried yet, but you can see those snap buttons are a little bit tight. They're closing very tightly and they are hard to open without ripping the paper. So in my understanding, and maybe it's not so bad to use those Velcros. I'm not sure. This is more pretty. And then I have a stamp here, and I did this. Just turn your paper around, cut it in half, stamp this, and ink the edges, and it's cute. AliExpress, you know. They have some with remember and other wonderful stamps. So this is my sharing for today. Really fast and easy. Of course I didn't cut this. And I wish you a wonderful full time. So we are all locked up again. But I hope this has an end whenever. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.